Your guide to low deposit home loans. Low deposit home loans are an increasingly popular option for borrowers who have steady income but little in savings. Now, borrowers may be first home buyers or those looking to buy an investment property but with restricted savings. Now, many people think that you need at least a 20% deposit to get a home loan. But there are lenders who will approve qualifying borrowers for a low deposit home loan with as little as a 5% deposit. So here's a quick guide. What is a low deposit home loan? A low deposit home loan is a standard home loan for borrowers without a large deposit saved. Now, traditionally, a bank would provide a loan of up to 80% of a home's value, with the buyer expected to contribute the remaining 20% deposit. But let's face it, 20% is no small figure. It takes time to save up that much, and life, well, it can get in the way. But the good news is that today there are many loan options available, and lenders understand that a borrower is capable of making home loan repayments even if they don't have a 20% deposit. So depending on the lender, and of course on your personal circumstances, you could potentially get a low deposit home loan with a deposit as small as 5%. Can a first home buyer get a low deposit home loan? First home buyers often take out low deposit home loans because they haven't had time to accumulate significant savings. Australian states and territories, they offer various first homeowner grants and stamp duty exemptions or concessions to help eligible first-time buyers buy property with a relatively small deposit. Some lenders may also accept gifted deposits for first home buyers. Now, the reality is that many first-time borrowers, well, they get financial support from family members. However, not all lenders that offer a low deposit home loan will actually accept gifted deposit monies. The more traditional lenders require evidence that the deposit has been saved consistently over time, and this is usually over a minimum of at least 3 months. And this assures the lender that the borrower can actually responsibly manage to pay regular loan repayments once that loan is in place. What are the costs of a low deposit home loan? A low deposit home loan typically represents a higher risk to the lender because the borrower is only contributing a small amount of their own money. And it's for this reason that borrowers must pay what's known as lender's mortgage insurance, a once-off premium, also known as LMI. And the borrower pays LMI to protect the lender in the event that the property is sold and that the sale price doesn't sufficiently cover the full loan amount, including any accrued interests and costs. The LMI provider will then seek to recover any shortfall from the borrower. Now, depending on the loan amount and the property value, LMI can actually cost thousands of dollars. Not great if you only have a 5% deposit to contribute. But the good news is, yes, there is good news, and that is that there are lenders that will allow you to add the cost of the LMI premium into the low deposit home loan. And that way, you don't actually have to use your own savings to fund this expense, and you can pay it over time. Different lenders will set different criteria, and that's why it's really important that you do your research and you find a lender who provides this feature. Can I get a low deposit, low doc home loan? If you're self-employed and don't have all your financial documentation available, you may be eligible for what's known as a low doc home loan. Now, lenders that offer low doc home loans will accept alternative income verification methods such as bank statements or business activity statements or even an accountant's letter instead of asking for completed tax returns. However, most low doc home loans will require a higher deposit that is closer to 20% of the property price. How to get a home loan with a low deposit? To get a low deposit home loan, well, here are 7 basic steps. The first one, start saving, really important. Number 2, research what government help is available. Number 3, work out how much you can borrow. And 4, you can get a trusted mortgage broker or a low deposit home loan lender to help you with that. Step 5, Find a home or investment property. That's the fun part. Step 6, provide any extra information that the lender has requested. And then step 7 is sign the documents and settle on your low deposit home loan. Once formally approved for a low deposit home loan, all the parties will need to sign loan documents. Now take time to read these carefully. Your lender will give you a copy of the documents, and that's for you to store in a safe place for future reference. But once your lender has confirmed that all the documents are in order, they will then arrange a date to settle with the seller. And it's at that point that all you need to do is arrange to pick up the keys and move in. Do I need a broker to get a low deposit home loan? A trusted mortgage broker can help take the stress out of the home buying process, whether you're a first home buyer or an experienced investor. Now, if you are seeking a low deposit home loan, a broker can help you find a loan that works for you and your long-term financial strategy. A good mortgage advisor, they should be able to give examples of how other customers have rated their performance. It's really important that you can trust your mortgage broker to look after you. After all, buying a property, it's a big step, and it's certainly not something that you do every day. Have questions? Visit liberty.com.au and get in touch today. Contact us anytime. We are sincerely eager to help, even if it's just providing more information. Thanks for watching.